I'm going to show you tonight how to make a fast, easy pizza with a 8-inch flour tortilla. We're going to do tortillas. We'll do some sauce. I realize it's out of a can, but it's quick and it's easy and it's cheap. We're going to do black olives. We're going to do sausage, turkey sausage, and pepperoni. We'll do some mushrooms, and then the last, mozzarella cheese. Gonna set the oven to 425. Let that preheat while we're making the pizzas.
Cut up a few mushrooms small enough to put on an 8-inch pizza. You can leave these large if you like. Open up a can of black olives and strain them before you put them on the pizza. Place down a 9x13 cookie sheet and line it with parchment paper. Don't worry about the parchment paper being perfect. Place an 8-inch tortilla on the parchment paper. Place the tortilla in the oven at 425. Leave it in there until you start to see the top bubble just a little bit. Then flip the tortilla over and brown the other side. Once the tortilla is brown, take it out and get it ready for sauce. Spread some sauce on the tortilla. The amount of sauce you use depends upon how much you like. Add some pizza seasoning if you got it for taste. Start placing on your main ingredients: pepperoni, sausage, black olives, mushrooms, whatever you like. I usually don't measure this, I just do it based on what looks good. Last item is the mozzarella cheese. Put as much cheese on as you like. I like lots of cheese, so I put quite a bit on. Place the pizza with all the ingredients into the oven at 425 and keep an eye on it and take it out when the cheese is nice and golden brown. Here you can see a perfect golden brown cheese on the pizza. It's time to come out. Grab the parchment paper and set it on a cutting board. Go ahead and cut it either in triangles or squares and enjoy. If you like this quick and easy tortilla pizza, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a quick comment.